Good evening and thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Kurt Kaiser.
And I'm Rachel Reagan. Lubbock County's local disaster declaration for COVID-19 will expire this week. Commissioners didn't renew it today, saying there's really no point to it.
The commissioners originally declared a public health disaster in mid-March. It was required to secure state and federal funding over the next 4 months. However, with the CARES Act passed and Lubbock County already qualified to get the money, the Commissioners' Court voted to let it expire. They emphasize without it, nothing will change since Governor Abbott is calling the shots.
I'm at a point that I just don't know how to answer to my constituents anymore. So what we're doing here, to a lot of people, Judge, really doesn't matter.
I think as probably pretty early on in this pandemic, we found out that the governor, through his emergency powers, had supreme authority over any county judge or any mayor.
Why is the death toll not rising with the number of cases? You know, if those two numbers were tracking together, I'd say we had a very significant problem. But the fact that we keep seeing all these cases, but we're not seeing deaths, well, either the virus is not as severe as what it once was, or our medical professionals are better adapted at treating it. It's one or the other.
The declaration disaster will expire Wednesday night. Judge Parrish emphasizes we are still in a state of disaster. All 254 counties in Texas under Governor Abbott's order. This does not change any of the guidelines required for reopening businesses, and it doesn't take away the state's mask mandate. Judge Parrish can still declare a 7-day disaster at any time, and commissioners can then extend that to 30 days with a special vote. He says if Congress passes another round of stimulus that requires a disaster, he would reissue his order.